Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix verify another way not working in Outlook. So if you're having trouble with the verify another way option in Outlook, try all of these solutions. So the first solution is check your internet. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Try switching your network or restart your router. Try another browser or device. Sign in using a different browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, or try using another device like a phone or tablet. You can also clear your browser cache. Clear your browser cache, you just go close your browser and open it again and try signing in again. Update your security info. If you still have access, go to account.microsoft.com, go to security info and add or update your recovery email or phone number. Wait and try again. Too many verification attempts can trigger a temporary lock. Wait for a few hours or 24 hours and then try again. Start a Microsoft recovery. If nothing works, go to account.live.com/ACSR and follow the steps to recover your account. And make sure your device date and time are correct. Disable VPN or proxy if you're using one. Disable extensions that may block pages. Keep your browser and Outlook updated. If you still need help, just go to support.microsoft.com/contact us and they'll reach out. So this is pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you. I'll see you in the next one.